Welcome back to our channel, Coding Pins. Just like taking a small pinch of knowledge every day. Today we are going to solve our questions that is a Java program for printing rectangle star pattern. What is the difference between rectangle and a square? People might be getting confused when the interviewer giving the questions like print the rectangle and instead of printing the rectangle, they will print that a square. They don't know what actually difference. The difference is in the square pattern, the everything is length and width is same. As you can see here, width is same, length is same, but in the rectangle, the length is bigger and the width is lesser. To how to achieve this in our program. So let's implement this. To implement this, the logic is simple as the square pattern, but you have to specify the how many columns you have and how many rows you have and how many rows length you needed and how many column you needed. Okay, so for that, first of all, need a main method, and inside of main method you need a first of all int row is equal to, let's suppose 8 not 8, 6, and int column is equal to 10. Okay, and after this you need a loop. First is a outer loop, that is a int I is equal to 1, starting from the 1, I should less than is equal to rows, which is the first loop is represent the our rows. So uh, rows and I plus plus. Instead of your row, you have to write rows. And the inner loop for int j. Inner loop is representing the column. So int j is equal to 1. J should less than is equal to column, printing the column until the conditions become the false and j plus plus. See, here the logic is very simple because we are printing the star in every place. That is why we don't need to worry about the what are the conditions we need. We just need to print the we just printing the star from the 0 to whatever the place you have. So that is why our condition is I is less than is equal to row. Until the row you have to print the star, and the second condition is column j should less than equal to column until the column becomes the false. Inside of this, you need to print a star. So sys out, that's why so sys out, print the star. But make sure it is a print statement instead of println, and come out this inner loop and print the println statement sys out, printing the next line. Now run our program and check is it printing the exactly rectangle star pattern or not. Let's run it. See, we will getting the our rectangle, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, it will be printing the rectangle pattern because the length is bigger than width. That is why it is it is a rectangle pattern. What if it's a square? Then you don't worry about it. Just instead of column, you need a 6. So row and column is 6. It will be printing the square pattern. See, we will get in the square pattern. So let's take 20. So make sure is as it's actually the rectangle. Yeah, now you can see this is the rectangle pattern. This is the way of you can solve this kind of problem. And that's all about in this videos. Thank you for watching our channel, Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day.